Hello and welcome to the Real-Time Forex Trader. It's just gone 4 o'clock in London. We are here trading euro dollar. We've just got a couple of shorts on. The market's pulled back from a low here of 106.64, 65 up to 85 or 87, 88 it made. And I've put a take profit on. Really, I ought to be able to get a lower take profit than that, but anyway, it's good enough. So here we are in 3 shorts. Should probably have got one on there. Could have closed some off here actually. Could have closed one off, put it back on. That'd have been a good move. Anyway, let's let this run a bit. Looking for it to come back down here to the trend line. Though there's obviously buyers here at 81. That's twice it's been down here. So is it climbing up again, or are the sellers going to step in? Should have closed that off and got it back on. Closed it off, got it back on. That's the lowest one. Anyway, we're in the shorts. Let's see where this is going. And the nature of scalping really is taking the profits when they're offered, reducing the risk, and then getting them back on. It's back up here again. I thought that might pull back from that down to here. And it looks like it wants to rise. So we might have got in this a bit too early. It just shows you really how you really should take the profits when they're offered, because you can always get the position back on. It is by no means certain that that is the peak. But I'd really like to see that pull back down into here, but that might have changed. We might have to exit there at 81.5 and take a quick scalp. That might be all we get. Excuse me. Anyway, forming up. But it's going flat. And what we're looking for is a market to run out of momentum going up. That's what I want. Whether we're going to get that is another story. You see, if we'd closed out there, could have put them on there, closed out, put them back on. This is by no means certain, but where are the sellers? Surely there's some sellers. Right, then we're just grinding off now, just grinding off below the trend line. This is just forming up below the trend line. Are we going to hit buyers here at 81 again? Which is what happened last time. So if that's 81.5, yeah, it's forming up below the trend line. Yeah, but the buyers and sellers are fighting this out a bit too much for my liking. There's just a few too many buyers about for my liking. You know, the sellers are by no means running this down. Right, so 81.5 is the best we had last time. And look, there we go, it was down there again. Is it going to get lifted off it this time? So that's a pip lower, 81.5. Let's see what happens when it touches it again. And it's not getting immediately lifted by the buyers leaving orders on the order book, so this could grind off. And this has the potential to grind off now to 75. So we'll get ready to take a profit. 75 on there, it's another 6 pips, 6 or 8 pips. It could well go down to here again and test 65s. We've already got a take profit on in case we get offered a spike downwards and get filled. We're looking for about 2 legs further down. Break 80s, break mid 70s, touch 75. You never know, if it breaks 75, it might break nicely lower. See, we could have probably got out there at 80, which is there. But there we go, we're down here again. Yeah, you see you're getting bid 80, 79, yeah, good, grinding lower. 79.5, yes. Into the 79s. We're going to get some resistance at 75. You know, I think we'll take that. There you go. That is how you scalp. Thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe.